Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Pretty car, guys. About a 10-year-old frame-off restoration. Really nicely done. Car came out of Georgia. Pretty color combination. It's got the two-tone red and white. It's got a beautiful all custom tan leather and ostrich insert interior with a custom bucket seats and console. Really a pretty car. Good solid straight Georgia body. You can see it's got brand new rubber all the way around it. Brand new 18-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels. Car's been upgraded. It's got, like I say, it's got that resto mod look. They've upgraded. It's got front disc brakes. It's got air. Again, it's got that custom leather. Good car. A couple little things that still need to be done to it as I kind of go around. I'm here by myself right now, and matter of fact, my son Nathan, who was a lot of help, has now broke his toe, so he's a little hobbled. So it's really just me trying to get all this stuff done right now. But pretty car. Got to get the AC charged. I'll get a hold of my guy, have him come over and charge the AC. There's one little piece of chrome that there's some glue on that I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that off, and then there's a couple little touch-up marks, but really nice car. And I've also ordered new Bel Air floor mats for it. You can see a little touch-up mark there. Normally I got Eddie here that does all this stuff for me, and it's just me here right now. Chrome and stainless is nice. Like I say, as you kind of walk around it, you know, there's a couple little marks in the paint. Try to point that stuff out to you as we go around. But really nice car, really good driver. Chrome and stainless is really nice on the car. Car's pretty. And it is a frame off, so you get underneath it, it's just as clean on the bottom as it is on the top. Again, couple little marks as we walk by. This stainless is in pretty darn good shape. It's just the dust. It's got the chrome bows under in the headliner. Glass is nice. They got the custom hat rack there. You can see a few little scratches. I noticed in the side glass there's a few little scratches in it, but pretty doggone nice. Sorry guys, a little dusty out here right now. Bunch of new stuff coming. Unfortunately, guys, it's going to be a slow go. I know guys are getting frustrated with me, but I'm here by myself right now. I cannot get stuff done quickly. I got to prep them getting out the door. There's a pretty good chip there that we'll have to touch up. But it's just a little bit of a slow go right now, guys. Pretty color combo. I like the red and white. Car sits good. 18-inch torque thrust all the way around it. It's got brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. Got the chrome tips. This is that piece of chrome that there's some kind of glue on it. It's a brand new piece of chrome, so I just don't want to tear it up trying to get it off. It looks like they actually replaced that entire piece right there. Front disc brakes, slotted and drilled rotors. It's got front and rear sway bars. So the car drives out nice. 283 cubic inch power. It's a power pack engine. Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got a Weiand aluminum intake. It's got the GM Ram's horn style exhaust manifolds in it. Power steering. You can see they've upgraded it to the power front disc brakes. 350 turbohydramatic trans. Again, does have AC. We're gonna have to charge that. It's got electric fan out here. Good running and driving car. The wipers work. They've converted those to electric. Again, I think these two pieces of chrome are brand new. That, like I say, the other side's got some kind of glue on it, though. I'm going to figure out how to get off. Windshield's nice. Stainless is nice. Like I say, the glass is nice. I saw a few little marks in the glass, in the side glass. Looks like they've replaced, spit it out, replaced these. New door rubbers. Super cool interior, man. Pretty interior. New carpets, new floor mats. I've ordered new floor mats for it. Bucket seats, custom console. It's got a Ididit polished tilt column in it with a billet steering wheel. It's a power seat or power driver's seat. It's got the chrome bows. Showing 28,000 on the odometer. I'm sure that's 128. He's got some aftermarket gauges in the glove box there. You can see he's got that billet trim around the dash. Custom sound system in it that kicks, man. It's got a good sound to it. Flowmaster dual exhaust. You know, no factory rear end, no monster gear or anything like that. Definitely something built to drive. It's got the jack with the spare. Good car, really a good car. Like I say, few little things left that I got to do, and again, man, I apologize, guys. It's a little slower than normal, but not much I can do right now. Good looking car. Oops, you know what? Getting out of my rhythm here. I got some pictures of the bottom of the car too. It's got a chrome, doggone chrome trans pan on it, and it's clean, nice and clean under there. Car's got a great look to it. Like I say, there's some things you can nitpick on it, but I think for a Bel Air, this thing's really going to be priced right, and you know, should make somebody a nice driver. I thought the interior, I love the interior. I love the color combo. Somebody spent a ton of money in here. That's what really drew me to the car. Of course, everybody likes air in these cars, and have Nathan hop his way in here. He's got broken toe right now, so there will be no mashing of the throttle. Again, just a good running 283, guys. I'll have to check the air. Well, not check the air. We got to charge the air. Have John come over and do that. But really, just a good running small block Chevy, man. Good car. Car's just got a pretty look to it. Fuel gauge does work, speedo gauge works, or speedometer works. It's got some aftermarket gauges in the glove box for your oil pressure and your temperature. Those do work. just a mild little built little 283, you know, I mean, nothing crazy. Again, radio does work, got a good sounding sound system in it. We're going to charge the AC for you. I know the wipers work, they've been converted to electric. Check those. I know they work though. Make sure we check them. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these new videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.